Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Highline. This panel van comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, as well as coming with the 4MOTION 4-wheel drive technology. This example comes finished in the special order paint colour chrome yellow. Across the front of the vehicle, it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights, and in the lower portion of the front bumper, we'll find a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. This vehicle sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, which come in a 5-spoke design. Towards the rear of the vehicle, it comes with a solid tailgate, some transporter and 4MOTION badging across the tailgate, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking maneuver with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area of the van, it comes in a factory fresh condition. There are multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor, and access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. In the roof lining of the van, we'll find 2 interior spot lamps, which provides illumination to the rear area. There is a full steel black bulkhead which separates the load area from the cab, and there's a step behind the sliding door providing easy access into and out of the load area. Up front in the driver's cab area, there are 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. Both of the seats come finished in the bricks woven fabric cloth upholstery and provide plenty of leg space for the driver as well as the passenger. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. Users can access all their favourite FM and DAB radio stations, as well as utilise the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This colour touchscreen also comes with the Discover Media navigation system, which includes streaming and internet. Just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. This van comes with 2 front heated seats as well as having climatic air conditioning. Further down to the left we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel, which provides a more customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.